सबका एग्जाम कैसा रहा? हेलो। अच्छा था सबका? बाकी लोग क्या भाग गए क्लास ज्वाइन करके? आज एक भी क्लास हुआ है कि नहीं?
नो मैम।
नो मैम।
नो मैम। है? हेलो।
नो मैम।
हाँ, ये चीज मुझे तब सुबह ही क्यों नहीं बोल दिए? मुझे लगा कि आज वर्किंग डे है, आज छुट्टी थी। मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि आज छुट्टी है। चलो, ओके। मिड टर्म तो हो गया, आप लोगों ने जैसा भी लिखा, मैंने कॉपी तो चेक नहीं किया है। एंड पता नहीं आप लोगों का सबका कॉपी डाउनलोड भी हुआ है कि नहीं। इतने सारे हैं पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे कि दो दो कोर्स का था, मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था। मैंने जैसे तैसे डाउनलोड किया है। मेरे पास लिस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स भी नहीं है हु हैव बीन एडमिटेड इन दिस, हु हैव एडमिटेड एंड रजिस्टर्ड इन दिस सेमेस्टर। तो देखूंगी, एक दिन फिर लिस्ट भेजती हूँ जिसका मैंने डाउनलोड कर लिया है आंसर पेपर्स। और अगर कोई मिसिंग होगा तो बताना। चलो, फैक्टर्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन कर रहे थे हम लोग, बहुत पीछे हैं। फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग रेस्पिरेशन, ये 4th यूनिट हो रहा है। अभी 25% सिलेबस ही कंप्लीट हुआ है। तो फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग में बोथ एक्सटर्नल एज वेल एज इंटरनल फैक्टर्स हैं। एक्सटर्नल मींस एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स, इंटरनल मींस प्लांट्स के अपने फैक्टर्स कुछ जो हैं, दोज विल अफेक्ट द रेस्पिरेशन। तो इंटरनल फैक्टर्स में सबसे पहले सबस्ट्रेट अवेलेबिलिटी। So, if there is no other factor which is limiting respiration, if we take only the substrate availability, then if substrate concentration is sufficient, then respiratory substrate is available, then respiration rate will increase. Okay. Now, respiration rate, this will be higher after photosynthesis. यानी कि जब फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है दोपहर में, उस समय रेस्पिरेशन रेट विल बी हायर एज कंपेयर टू दैट इन आइदर मॉर्निंग, दैट इज आफ्टर सनराइज, और आफ्टर सनसेट। मींस व्हेन देयर इज लाइट, photosynthesis will take place. Okay, so it means respiratory substrate will be available, and at that time, after that, the respiration rate will be higher. But this is not in case of CAM plants, because you know stomata opens there in at during night. Uh, Apart from this, if there is a dense canopy, okay, and if the lower leaves are receiving comparatively less light, then the upper illuminated leaves, they will have more photosynthetic rate as compared to the lower ones. So in the upper illuminated leaves, they will have more rate of respiration than the lower leaves, shaded ones. Okay. Then next point is protoplasmic factors. I'm not writing. Hope you all are writing. Okay. Hello.
यस मैम।
हाँ, तो प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक फैक्टर्स में you know that the meristematic cells, they have dense protoplasm, large protoplasm. Okay, so in those cells, meristematic cells, they will have higher respiration rate. The meristematic cells, the younger cells also, you can say. Why? Because they have more organelles. A mitochondria, where respiration occurs, they will have it more in number, and so there will be higher respiration. Now the dry seeds, they are inactive, isn't it? In that, the respiration rate is very slow. It is because of this only, because of less mitochondria. Okay. And another reason for slow respiration or less respiration in dry seeds is because the seed coat, it is impermeable to oxygen. Okay, so there can be two reasons. Then, in case of fruits, especially ripening fruits, you know about climateric and non-climateric fruits. Climateric fruits are those where the respiration, there is a sharp increase in respiration rate. Examples of climateric fruits are banana, ethylene, etc. Pear, sorry. These climateric fruits, they have high respiration rate because of production of ethylene, a hormone, you know, gaseous hormone. So, whereas in non-climateric fruits, especially the citrus fruits, grapes, pineapples, strawberries, there the respiration rate is slow. So climateric or non-climateric fruits in layman's term, how can you identify? How can you say that these are climateric fruits? Rate of respiration is high. So climateric fruits, this rate of respiration is high. They will ripen very fast. Okay. And then they will start rotting. ये I am explaining in layman's terms. ये आप साइंटिफिकली ये नहीं कहोगे कि ये सड़ जाता है जल्दी, ऐसे नहीं कहोगे. Here climatic foods में क्या होता है? Rate of respiration is very high. It increases sharply. Okay. Also, those cells which are young, meristematic, dividing cells, you can say, where the protoplasm is very dense, active, they will have higher respiration rate as compared to the older cells, because in older cells, large portion is occupied by the vacuole and a thin layer of cytoplasm it has. So it means mitochondria too will be less. So in those cells, there will be slow respiration. So these were the internal factors. Then the external factors, first thing is temperature. Optimum temperature for respiration, it is 30 degrees Celsius. And you know Van Hoff's rule. It follows Van Hoff's rule. Temperature coefficient between 5 to 25 degrees Celsius is 2 to 2.5. Okay. Between 5 to 25 degrees Celsius, the rate of respiration, it will double by each 10-degree rise in temperature. And 30 degrees is considered to be optimum. So beyond 30 degrees Celsius. What is the reason for decline in respiration? At higher temperature, you know most of the yes, once again Shushant.
मैम एंजाइम जो रेस्पिरेशन के लिए होता है वो डिनेचर हो जाती है।
Yes, because the enzymes become denatured. Most of the respiratory क्या कोई भी enzymes जो plants में होते हैं beyond 30 degrees Celsius they become denatured. Okay, and below at lower temperatures, I said कि between 5 to 25 degrees Celsius it will follow Van Hoff's rule. Okay, so below 5 degrees Celsius also there is slow rate of respiration. The reason is that respiratory substrate will be limiting. There will be low light intensity, low photosynthesis, low respiratory substrate available. Okay, so this factor, temperature, it's very important for respiration. And low temperature pe I said ki there will be slow respiration. This is the reason why fruits and vegetables are stored at low temperatures. Because at low temperature there will be less expenditure of food material, that is the respiratory substrate. Okay. Also, the potato tubers which are grown at hills, they are larger in size because of slow respiration rate. Okay, it means more food materials will be stored and the size of the tuber will increase. The next factor is light. It will indirectly affect respiration rate. It will increase directly nahi, but indirectly it will increase respiration, because if there is light there will be more photosynthesis and so more respiratory substrate is available, so more respiration. Okay. Also, stomatal opening and closing is also affected by light. Light and turgidity both. अभी next chapter हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. So, when stomata opens, it means there will be gaseous exchange, and this will indirectly, I will say, respiration. It will increase respiration. The next factor is CO2 concentration. You know, CO2 concentration in the atmosphere, it is slowly increasing now, but almost constant, we can say. Initially, it was in the last few decades, it has been increasing. So, this CO2 concentration has inverse relationship. It means concentration will increase, then respiration rate will decrease. Okay. Indirect relation है CO2 और respiration में. So, uh, um, uh, if you store the seeds in high CO2 concentration area, then they will not germinate. And also fruits and vegetables too can be preserved in an atmosphere of high CO2 concentration. The next is water. Water too, it will indirectly affect respiration because water, it maintains turgidity of the cells. It provides a medium for many respiratory reactions. So shortage of water, it will reduce respiration. Okay. I was just talking that in rice seeds, they have less respiration rate. The reason was that I told there will be less mitochondria, low oxygen availability because the seed coat is impermeable to oxygen. And the reason why seed coat is impermeable to oxygen is because of the hard seed coat. Water is not available, moisture not available for hydrolytic enzymes to become active. Okay. The next, oxygen concentration in the atmosphere. Oxygen concentration भी जो है atmosphere में it is constant, isn't it? And now this oxygen concentration, it is a participant in the reactions of aerobic respiration. If oxygen is available, then aerobic respiration will take place, otherwise anaerobic. It means that oxygen, the presence of oxygen will determine whether it will be aerobic or not. Okay. Now in the electron transport chain, last one was the port complex, cytochrome oxidase. This enzyme, it has a very high affinity for oxygen. Even in very low concentration, this cytochrome oxidase will be active. If the oxygen concentration is very less, 0.05% that of the air, then also this cytochrome oxidase will be active. Okay. The next is injury. It will increase the rate of respiration. Okay, up to here.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now in the beginning I told, शुरू में मैंने बताया था कि समरी रिएक्शन जो है रेस्पिरेशन का क्या है, C6H12O6 plus 6 O2, it will form 6H2O plus 6 CO2, isn't it? Hello. तो ये चीज मैंने बताया था, हाउ दैट फॉर ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ 1 molecule of glucose 6 molecules of oxygen is needed. Okay. हेलो, याद है? I told that 6 molecules of oxygen is needed for breakdown of 1 molecule of glucose, and it will release 6 CO2 plus 6 water molecules. तो ये जो बैलेंस शीट है 6 कहाँ से आया, 1 कहाँ से आया, दिस इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए अब हाँ नहीं पानी धीरे आ रहा है. हेलो
यस मैम.
हेलो.
यस मैम.
ये मैं क्लास थोड़ी देर में लेती हूँ. हाफ एन आवर में अटेंडेंस ले ली हो कोई? हेलो.
मैम अभी तो नहीं लिया.
बाथरूम में देखिए. ये मैं क्लास आधे घंटे ले रही हूँ, दसा घर में पानी नहीं आ रहा, उसको बनवा लेती हूँ. ठीक है. हेलो. हेलो.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके मैम.